Hello, this is Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living, and welcome back to my channel.
So I am going to go ahead and declutter this cart. I want to move a few things around, preparing for back to school. So this is going to be my tiny tidy video, and I will talk more about that in a little bit. But it is Tuesday, or it's not Tuesday when I'm filming this, but this will be your motivation for Tuesday. And let's get this done, see what we can do. And yeah, going to be off camera for this as I tackle this and just show the process, but let's get to it. And then I want to declutter another homeschool area and move some things around, but that might not be in this video, but I need to tackle this in order to do that. So let's go ahead and do this. Okay, so I'm going to move this out of here. It's crazy, that doesn't need to be there. And there's some random socks in there. Seriously? Okay. Yeah, no. Yeah, no. Then what is this? Fun. That does not be there. This can stay here. And then this down here. Just be fixed.
Let me tell you a little bit more about this collab. So this collab is called Tiny Tidy Tuesday, and it is hosted by Sunday Dawn over at the Helpful Home here on YouTube. Her channel will be linked down below, along with the playlist to all the other creators bringing you tiny tidies around their home. So check it out.
Okay, so this is one of my homeschool carts, and I need to go ahead and declutter it, and I'm going to put it on the other cart. So I'm going to take some of this stuff out. Some of it's going to stay here, but I'm going to put this away because that's for Christmas and it never got put away. And then I'm thinking I might be able to fit some of this stuff onto that cart, and I want to move some of this down here and get an extra space up here for some of the curriculum up here. So I'm going to do that. I'm definitely put this over there. It's like a measuring scoops for our science stuff. This I want to keep here away from my daughter because she gets into it and ruins it, so it needs to be hidden. Let's see. So that space is clean, but thinking this I need to find a spot for. And then I think I might put this somewhere else because it's not being used down here. This is all of our acrylic paint. Okay, and then I'm going to put our reading boxes down here and our current readers. And then possibly just actually stack these and then throw this back in here. And let's see what else I can do. So these are actually from an IKEA children's chair that broke. And when I was pulling it apart, I noticed that our whiteboards would fit in here. And I could stand it up and it would be a stand for whiteboards, and then also has like a little place that you could put a pencil or a dry erase marker. So I saved all of these pieces, and we definitely use these all the time when we're doing school and copy work. So putting those back there. I love this. Going to put this into that hallway cart, find a spot for the paint, and then the reusable Christmas stickers. And then I will be bringing stuff down here, but I have to figure out what I'm going to put down here. And yeah, but I will maybe show you that at the end because I'll probably have to do that off camera because I have to think about it. But going to go put this in that other cart, and then I will be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and put the measuring scoops here for science. This is a keepsake box for my 6-year-old with cards and different gadgets in there. And then have all of that organized down there. I do need to go ahead and declutter this a little bit, but I'm going to do that later because most of this stuff is going to stay here. But yeah, that is a whole lot better here. And I will show you the finishing touches if I do anything off camera.
That's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for homeschool content, cleaning motivation, home decor, and more. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.